Welcome to today's exciting showdown between GPT-4o and Gemini 2.0, two popular AIs for creating stunning personal portfolio designs. With AI revolutionizing how portfolios are designed, choosing the right tool can make all the difference in your career. First, let's discuss GPT-4o, a versatile and powerful AI renowned for its ease of use and intuitive design capabilities. Designed for simplicity, GPT-4o caters to beginners who want professional results without a steep learning curve or technical hassle. But how does it fare in customization? GPT-4o offers a range of templates that can be easily modified to fit personal styles. Now, let's turn our focus to Gemini 2.0, celebrated for its advanced features, catering to more tech-savvy and demanding users. Gemini 2.0 boasts robust customization features, allowing users to exploit its advanced tools for unique and intricate designs. For users who love depth, Gemini 2.0 provides an expansive toolbox perfect for crafting personalized and intricate portfolio designs. Let's compare user-friendliness next. GPT-4o, with its straightforward interface, wins hearts among those new to AI design technology. Contrasting this, the steeper learning curve of Gemini 2.0 might challenge novices, but is a delight for experienced designers. How about fresh design updates? GPT-4o frequently rolls out updates, ensuring trendy and modern templates for its user base. On the other hand, Gemini 2.0 is lauded for innovative advancements, pushing creative boundaries with unique, cutting-edge tools. Now, onto AI's design output quality. GPT-4o guarantees visually appealing portfolios with a focus on a professional finish. Gemini 2.0, however, excels with artistic flexibility, often preferred by creators seeking an expressive artistic touch. Discussing user testimonials, beginners tend to praise GPT-4o's accessibility and results, feeling empowered and relieved. Conversely, seasoned designers commend Gemini 2.0 for complex, challenging creativity and high customization capabilities. In terms of time saving, GPT-4o speeds up the design process with templates and intuitive AI to ease workload. Gemini 2.0, though demanding, is worthwhile for designers valuing elaborate detail, offering balance between creativity and time. Pricing plays a critical role. GPT-4o offers affordable plans perfect for students and freelancers alike starting their journey. Gemini 2.0 leans on the pricier side, justified by its extensive features, ideal for pros needing sophisticated tools. Now, who should choose GPT-4o? If simplicity, fast setup, and solid output are your priorities, this AI could be your best bet. Conversely, if you revel in creative challenges, detailed personalization, and innovation, Gemini 2.0 will fulfill your desires. Finally, future updates. Both AIs promise regular enhancements committed to keeping users ahead in design innovation. In conclusion, while GPT-4o suits beginners splendidly, Gemini 2.0 opens doors to new creative opportunities for experts. Both are exemplars, offering tools to elevate your portfolio. It's about aligning with one that meets your creative aspirations. Choosing the right AI can define and advance your digital design journey while aligning with professional growth. Ultimately, it's about leveraging these revolutionary tools to enhance your personal and professional brand. So, which AI will you choose for your next project? GPT-4o or Gemini 2.0? Let us know your thoughts below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more in-depth comparisons and tech reviews like this one. Stay ahead in the design game by exploring more tips and tricks from our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep designing, keep innovating, and see you in our next video adventure. Goodbye for now.